Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by x. This one by negative number 1. This one that is for y. This one for negative number 1. Next, we can do another factorization by y squared plus 1. The next one that is about x minus number 4. Next, I will put the x gone here. Y squared plus 1 and y minus 1 we put on the left. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. This one we need to separate, and I will have y over y squared plus 1. And the second one negative number 1 over y squared plus 1. This one I will put negative number 4 plus number 3, because negative number 4 plus number 3 we have negative number 1, and I want to create about x minus number 4 divided by x minus number 4. X minus number 4 divided by x minus number 4 we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of y squared plus 1. The integration of this one, we have arctan of y. The integration of number 1, we have x. The integration of this one, we have number 3 ln of the absolute value of x minus number 4, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.